Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to force stop Gmail on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with your Gmail app and need to force stop it, follow these simple steps to get your app running smoothly again. First, navigate to your device's settings. This can usually be found in the app drawer, or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, look for the Apps option within your settings menu. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Gmail. Tap on it to open the app settings. Once you're in the Gmail app settings, look for the option that says Force Stop at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to force stop the app. A pop-up message will appear asking you to confirm your action. Simply tap on OK to confirm and force stop Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully force stopped Gmail on your Android device. This can help resolve any issues you may be experiencing with the app and give it a fresh start. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.